If you are a bilingual speech-language pathologist, or if you provide support to our emergent bilingual students, I want to show you briefly an overview of an amazing technology that Smarty Ears Online is offering. Here I have my group of students, so hang with me. I've selected 2. I'm actually going to remove and select them again so that you can see how easy this process is. So I selected Amanda and Angelo. We're going to click Start. And this here is the library of activities available on Smarty Ears Online, which includes several of the existing Smarty Ears apps that used to be on the iPad. And now you can use these same activities on any device. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to click Adjective Remix, but later on you can explore all of these different activities in here. And I'm going to tap Start. Now, as soon as the game loads, let me make sure that my audio is playing. It says, welcome to Adjective Remix.
Welcome to Adjective Remix. Let's learn new words that describe people, places, and things.
Which one is heavy?
Now, as you can see here, Amanda is the one taking her turn. So whether you're doing this as a group therapy session, whether you're just playing this for a bigger group, all your students that you selected will line up here on the right. Amanda can go ahead and tap on the screen if you have a touch screen to select her answer. Now, you can stay here and explore and discuss what do you call this heavy object? It's an accordion. Now,
which cone is clean?
We are here exploring several adjectives, and now it's the time for Angelo to take his turn.
¿Cuál cono está limpio?
Isn't this amazing? So as soon as I selected Angelo, we knew that Angelo is receiving intervention in his native language, Spanish, and he can select the correct answer by hearing a prompt in Spanish automatically. As a bilingual speech-language pathologist myself, I have always been exhausted by having to click at yet another button to switch my language whenever appropriate. Now here, as you add your caseload, you get to select which language is the language of intervention for Angelo. And then we'll apply that to every single activity that Angelo is experiencing on the platform. Now this
Which
data
one looks scary?
is being tracked automatically. I'm going to select a wrong answer here. I'm going to click on here on the data to show you Angelo's data. So take a look at all the times that Angelo has been practicing his different language skills and articulation skills, and you can showcase Angelo's performance not only for yourself and for your data, but also long-term or sharing with caregivers, teachers, and people on Angelo's team. I can click here on details and get an accurate overview of the specific details of Angelo's performance on vocabulary related to adjectives, appearance, colors, feelings. These are different data points that it would be nearly impossible for us to have an accurate overview of Angelo. Now, I'm going to go back and play with Angelo again. Let me actually close this window. I'm going to select Angelo to show you what happens when we do one of the speech activities with Angelo. Here is one of the speech activities. I'm going to just select a quick articulation flashcard. Now notice we get your target word in Spanish.
Techo.
You have audio modeling, and right here you get to track the data on Angelo's production on these different words.
La leche es rica.
And sentence level. Now I'm going to quickly go back to show you the data. Now notice that it didn't ask me which sounds Angelo was working on because the application already knew what he was working on. If for some reason he's mastered those sounds, notice here that we remember what he's mastered. We can select a new sound and play again. If for some reason you're practicing and working with speech sounds in both English and Spanish, you can toggle between English and Spanish sounds. And we're going to go ahead and practice the new sounds. But finally, before you stop watching this video, let me show you a few things. We practice articulation flashcard. You can see the words you targeted, his performance. There's also something called speech sounds. Here we can specifically see the sounds, and an overview of the different speech sounds that Angel has practiced, his overall accuracy, which ones are still selected and which ones he has mastered. You can sign up for Smarty Ears Online by visiting smartyearslearning.com. My name is Barbara. I'm an SLP and I'm super excited to be creating these amazing, innovative solutions for you.